When you have a long document, it's nice to be able to get to particular places in the document quickly. We could use bookmarks. We could press Ctrl G to go to bookmark, or press F5, or go home, replace, go to bookmark, and the list of bookmarks is here. This takes time. Or I could make hyperlinks, so I could go to the particular bookmarks or particular places quickly. Let me scroll down here. I have here some hyperlinks. And these hyperlinks will allow me to go to a place in the document quickly. And this will take me to information on vitamin A. Hold down Control and press click. It has taken me to vitamin A. Let me just go back. It's the bottom of page 1. Let me try this one. Control and click. Control and click. Jump to vitamin B. Nice. Now, I would like to be able to go from here to the information on calcium. What should I do? Well, I need to make some bookmarks first. I'm going to find the text on calcium and magnesium and phosphorus. Let me go down and find it. I know where it is. It's down here in a table. Down, 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 down. Yes, this is where I want the bookmark to be. Calcium. Now to insert a bookmark, I go Insert, Bookmark. I'm going to type the word calcium. Now it doesn't matter how it's spelled or how long it is. I'm in a bit of a hurry, so calci, add, magnesium, insert links bookmark, magnesium, add, let's do one more, bookmark, phos, add, done. Let me scroll up where I want to have the hyperlinks. This is a long document. Right. I want to be able to click here and jump to the information about calcium. Select it. Hyperlink. Hyperlink, hyperlink, hyperlink. Link to... No. I want to go to a bookmark. There's bookmark. And I want you to... They're all here. Wonderful. I want it to go to calcium. I want calcium to jump to calcium if I click on it. Magnesium, select, hyperlink, bookmark. Magnesium. Okay. Text to display is magnesium. Good. Phosphorus. Hyperlink. Bookmark. Phos. Okay. Okay. Let's check if it works. Magnesium. Control and click to follow. Good. It's gone to magnesium. Let me just do it again. Go back. Phosphorus. Control click. It has gone to phosphorus. Good. My hyperlinks have worked. What did I do? I first of all made bookmarks. And then I hyperlinked the text to the bookmark. Bookmark is a link, and I linked the word calcium to the link. Check if phosphorus works. Phosphorus works. Phosphorus had been bookmarked, and I had made a hyperlink from the text to the bookmark. And it's all here under links.